Welcome back to Best Product Reviews. You don't need to drop $1,000 or more to get into drone flying anymore. The sub-$200 category has genuinely transformed over the past couple of years. GPS positioning, real 4K cameras, AI subject tracking, and 20+ minutes of flight time used to be exclusive to premium drones costing 2 or 3 times as much. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best budget drones of 2026, all priced under $200. We tested for camera quality, GPS stability, flight time, and overall beginner friendliness, because the budget drone market is genuinely full of overpromised specs and fake 4K marketing. So let's cut through the noise and find what's actually worth your money. Let's jump in. At number 5, we have the Snaptain S5C. If you just want to have fun learning to fly without worrying about GPS, obstacle avoidance, or any of the more complex features found on pricier drones, this is exactly the entry point to start with. Simple, lightweight, and genuinely enjoyable for short, casual flights. The S5C keeps things deliberately straightforward. Intuitive controls that don't require a steep learning curve, flip modes for fun aerial tricks, and a lightweight design that makes it easy to carry along without a second thought. This isn't a drone chasing spec sheet bragging rights. It's built around the idea that your first drone should be about building confidence and having genuine fun, rather than stressing over camera resolution or advanced flight modes you won't fully appreciate yet anyway. The honest trade-off is real. There's no GPS, so hold position and return to home reliability lag behind pricier options on this list. And camera quality is basic rather than something you'll want to show off on a big screen. But for absolute beginners, especially younger flyers, or anyone testing whether the hobby is even for them before investing more, it hits exactly the right note. The Snaptain S5C is perfect for complete beginners who want the simplest possible learning experience, anyone buying a first drone as a low-stakes gift, and casual flyers who prioritize fun over specs. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description. Next up is the Potensic ATOM SE. If you want something that looks and feels closer to a proper GPS camera drone, genuinely similar in spirit to the DJI Mini series, while staying firmly in budget territory, the Atom SE bridges that gap better than most competitors at this price. Built with real GPS positioning, the Atom SE delivers meaningfully more stable hold and more reliable return-to-home functionality than the pure toy-grade drones at the bottom of this category, which matters enormously the first time a gust of wind threatens to carry your drone away. Its compact, foldable design borrows visual cues directly from DJI's popular Mini lineup, giving it a genuinely more premium feel in the hand than its price tag suggests, and it remains approachable enough for pilots who are still building confidence with more advanced flight characteristics. For pilots specifically looking for the DJI Mini experience without the DJI Mini price, this is consistently the drone reviewers point to as the closest budget equivalent. Camera quality is solid for casual sharing and social content, even if it won't rival the sharper sensors found on pricier drones later in this list. The Potensic ATOM SE is perfect for anyone who wants a DJI Mini-style flying experience on a tighter budget, pilots ready to step up from a toy-grade drone to real GPS stability, and buyers who value a compact, foldable design. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description. Keeping it going with the Stone HS720E. This has become a genuine fan favorite in the sub-$200 category, and at around $179, it delivers one of the strongest all-around combinations of GPS reliability, camera quality, and flight time currently available at this price. The GPS hold on the HS720E is consistently praised as rock solid, giving you real confidence flying in open outdoor spaces without constantly worrying about drift. Flight time comfortably reaches 26 minutes per battery, genuinely competitive even against some pricier drones, and the camera captures usable aerial footage that looks decent on phones and social platforms. One honest note worth flagging: Stone markets this as a 4K camera, but it's technically interpolated 4K rather than a native 4K sensor, meaning the footage is upscaled rather than genuinely captured at that resolution. On a phone screen or social media post, most viewers won't notice the difference, but on a larger monitor, it won't hold up against true native 4K sensors like the one in our top pick.
beyond the camera caveat, this remains one of the most consistently recommended budget drones available, precisely because it doesn't cut corners on the fundamentals that actually matter for a good flying experience: stable GPS, solid flight time, and reliable build quality. The Stone HS720E is perfect for pilots who prioritize rock-solid GPS stability above all else, anyone who wants genuinely long flight time in the budget category, and buyers comfortable with socially shareable footage rather than professional-grade image quality. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description.
The runner-up is the Potensic Atom LT. If you specifically want GPS reliability and extended flight time at the lowest possible price, this is consistently identified as the strongest alternative to our top pick for pilots who don't need every last feature. At $179, the Atom LT delivers genuine GPS positioning and stable outdoor flight performance that punches well above what you'd expect at this price, making it a legitimate option for pilots who want dependable hold and return-to-home functionality without paying a premium for it. Flight time is a real strength here too, giving you extended sessions that outlast several competitors in this exact price bracket, which matters when you're trying to capture a specific shot or just want more airtime per battery charge. While it doesn't quite match the camera sophistication or AI-powered subject tracking of the pricier drones on this list, it consistently earns recommendations specifically as the smart alternative for pilots who prioritize flight fundamentals, GPS accuracy, stability, and time in the air, over cutting-edge camera features or software polish. For anyone shopping specifically within this exact budget bracket and comparing it directly against pricier alternatives, it remains one of the most credible value picks available. The Potensic Atom LT is perfect for pilots who prioritize GPS reliability and flight time above camera features, budget-conscious buyers comparing directly against pricier alternatives, and anyone who wants dependable outdoor flight performance without paying extra for AI tracking or premium camera specs. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description. And the best one is the DJI Neo. This is consistently ranked the best overall budget drone under $200 in 2026, full stop, as several independent reviewers put it, and it earns that reputation by bringing genuine DJI polish and reliability down to an unusually accessible price. At $199, the Neo shoots native 4K video, a genuine step above the interpolated 4K found on several competitors at this price, and weighs just 135 grams, meaning that it requires no FAA registration for recreational use in the US. What really sets it apart, though, is AI-powered automatic subject tracking, letting the drone follow and frame you intelligently without needing precise manual piloting, a genuinely rare feature to find this far down the price ladder, and one that dramatically lowers the skill floor for capturing genuinely good footage of yourself in action. With up to 30 minutes of flight time, palm takeoff that requires no controller at all, and cinematic automated shot modes like droney, rocket, and circle, the Neo brings DJI's signature ease of use and software polish to a price point that used to only get you toy-grade hardware. It benefits from the same years of flight software refinement that make DJI's pricier drones so approachable, translated down into a genuinely compact, travel-friendly package. For beginners, travelers, and social content creators who want the best possible balance of camera quality, ease of use, and genuine DJI reliability under $200, nothing else in this category currently comes close. The DJI Neo is perfect for beginners who want DJI's polished, approachable flying experience, travelers and social creators who want native 4K without a big investment, and anyone who wants AI-powered subject tracking without needing advanced piloting skills. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching. That's our top 5 best budget drones of 2026, every single one priced under $200. Whether you're starting simple with the Snaptain S5C, wanting a DJI mini-style experience with the Potensic ATOM SE, prioritizing rock-solid GPS with the Stone HS720E, chasing flight time and reliability with the Potensic Atom LT, or getting the best overall package with the DJI Neo, there's a genuinely great pick on this list for your budget. One quick tip before you buy. As of 2026, any drone over 250 grams requires remote ID broadcast capability, so double-check that spec before you commit, especially if you're eyeing one of the slightly larger options. If this video helped you decide, hit that like button and subscribe to Best Product Reviews. Drop a comment below letting us know your budget and which drone you're going with. We'd love to hear from you. All product links with the latest pricing are in the description. Thanks again for watching, and happy flying!